We got a little package here, straight from California. Made in China. Cables, it looks like. Oh, this comes with everything but the battery. Okay, here's your throttle, looks like. Controller, extra grip, brakes. We're not going to need those. Now this kit is made if you don't already have a motor. This kit is made for a bike that doesn't have electric at all. So really I'm only using a couple things here. This is the controller, definitely gotta have that. And then this plugs into the motor, and there should be a battery connector here, probably that. And then there's cadence sensors. There's all kinds of stuff you don't need whenever you already have all that on your existing bike. So I just kind of wanted you guys to see what this all came with first before I installed it. But really the only thing I'm going to need for this is, I don't know what this button does, this throttle, which I'm actually going to put mine on the left side, and I'll put another one of these on here. So to engage this throttle to run the motor that's going to go on the front, which I'll show you in just a second, you will need to push up. So it's actually a little bit, feels like it's a little bit tighter of a turn. So basically I'll just mount this like a little higher and I'll be able to push it with my thumb like this. Or I can twist it, but I'll have to twist it opposite of what you normally would here, because it is going to be mounted upside down basically. It's either that or mount this one upside down and move this one over to here. But since this one's already here, might as well just go ahead and throw this one on the left side. So this will go down into, after you run all these cables and everything, down to this. It looks like we should have enough cable here to go from the front to the back. Yeah, definitely. So I'll install this here, run the cable down real nicely, probably zip tie it down here, have it run in the existing wire management that comes with Lectric XP, and run that cable underneath the frame up to here. It looks like we got plenty of cable to do that. And then this one, I believe, also goes to the motor maybe. Let's see. Arrow direct insert. So I think this either goes to the battery or the motor. I'm pretty sure it's the motor though. So that's cool. It's pretty neat that it comes with everything. And then your battery just plugs into that. Alright, here's the battery. I just weighed it. It weighs about 10 pounds. Came with this charger right here. Works the same way. You just plug it into the wall outlet, and then this light turns red when it's charging. When it's done, it turns green, and it just plugs into this little port right here. and I guess you could put that on the side of your bike somewhere, but mine's just going to be in the back. And this one goes to your controller. So I'm not only going to install the motor and the battery, but I have a few other things coming that I'm going to do as well. I am going to install these brakes too. They're X-Tech, and the model is HB100. I think there's other brands that make these same brakes, but they're marketed as hydraulic brakes. Whether they really are or not, I don't know. But they're made for my bike, or will work with my bike. There may be better ones as well. I haven't really researched, but these were cheap, and it's a step up from the brakes that are stock on the Lectric XP. So I went ahead and picked them up. So these will replace the factory brakes on the front and back. I got 2 of these, of course. And it should all connect normally with the cable. And from what I hear, it's a really easy install and shouldn't take too long. So that's another video that's coming soon, so hang tight. All right, and here's the front hub motor, which is super heavy. There's some more stuff over here. We'll look at that in just a second. But here's the front hub motor. Hopefully these are stickers. Yep, they're stickers. I'm gonna take that off. This goes to that cable I was telling you about, which controls the motor. And then that mounts right up there. It's as simple as that.